You see this shit, right? 112 subs. You see this shit, right? You fucking...
Ding dong, you fucking faggot!
Hey, Mom, someone's at the door!
Well, answer it, you asshole.
Well, how about you get the fuck on somewhere?
Is that bullshit again
From, yeah, the YouTube shit.
Pick up that.
Yeah, how about you pick it up? No, you pick it up.
I'm not picking it up.
Rex, pick it up.
Rex don't know how to pick it up, you asshole.
He's useless. That's not my fault.
All around me are familiar faces.
He gets it from me. Alright, let's see what this shit says. Congrat on 100 sub, you limp dick little homosexual.
Well, they got that shit right.
Do you really want to fight me? Like, what's good? Yeah.
Don't hit me with the piece of cardboard. I'm your mama.
Are you sure about that?
From what they told me at the hospital.
Yeah, but like they could be wrong. Doctors ain't perfect.
Well, I saw him you be pulling out of my stomach.
This is a face reveal. So we did it. We got the cardboard play button. That's pretty fucking cool. Real talk though about 100 subs though, right? This is just a joke, you know. I make this, duh, right? But that is really cool that I made 100 subs, and yes, I know why.
It's sassy.
I know why. But real talk though, I apologize for not making this video earlier. I knew the day I reached 100 subs. It's actually, ironically, the day my friend Perseus reached 100 subs. And he has more subs than me.
The roast is coming, motherfucker.
Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and peace.